Angie in real life, Angie in real life with one L. I am your host. We are making a barbecue chicken shrimp stir fry, guys, and I'm so excited. Hey, so we've already got started, so let me show you what we're doing. Here we have some onions and some Knorr chicken broth boiling here, which we're gonna add some fresh green beans to. We're gonna add some fresh green beans here. So we season the water with Knorr onions, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. We have some shrimp here. We have chicken chunks that are cut up and sliced and already seasoned. We have some fresh white onions. We have some some red peppers here. And we have some green peppers. I've covered my pan with oil, just the bottom of the pan with oil. Whew, the steam from the beans, y'all. And I'm gonna add my onions, my peppers, and all that fun stuff in there. Then we're gonna come back, add the chicken, and then we're gonna add the shrimp last because they take the least amount of time to cook. The sides is green bean, and we're gonna put that over top of rice. So we're gonna go ahead and add our green beans. I want my green beans to have a little smoky flavor. We're gonna add some of this liquid smoke. Y'all see that? Gluten-free, sodium. There it is. See it? And the serving size is 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of this liquid smoke in our green beans. Okay, guys. Now in with the vegetables. We're going to start putting the vegetables in. There we go. And we'll let this cook down. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I use frozen sometimes, but I'm realizing that fresh is a little bit less expensive than the frozen, especially for a one-time use. There it is. As this cooks down a little bit, we'll come back and then we'll add the chicken and then we'll add the shrimp. Green beans, fresh green beans. Woo. Got some onions in there. I'll let these cook for 7 minutes and then I'm gonna turn them off. So we got 7 seconds left. Because you don't want them real soft. You still want to have a little crunch to them. And there it is. We'll be back, guys. Here is the finished product. Green beans are done. So good. So fresh. So good. So fresh. And what I'm gonna do is, when I plate it, I'll come back and show it to you and we will taste it. The food is finished and I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like. Booyah! This is what it looks like. Up close and personal. Isn't that so healthy looking? I opt for a yellow Spanish rice. Alright. Now let's go for a taste. Let's go in for a taste. The green beans, they are so fresh, guys. Let me get some shrimp, a piece of chicken. It's gonna be a big bite, and some. I don't know if I can get the rice. There y'all go. Look at that, just simply beautiful. Oh, let me get the chicken on there. There it is. The freshness. This was a quick and easy meal. Made all in one pan. With the exception of the rice. Barbecue chicken and shrimp stir fry. And let me show you the barbecue seasoning that I use. Talk about my cabinet. This is what we use to season it. Girl Mates rub. Delicious. Alright, guys. See you next segment of the show. In real life.
Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer.